You want to go see her? There she is. We'll get her. Okay. Hi. Do you know who that is? I think it is. Hello. We have found Grandma.
Yeah, that's important. My great-grandson always wants to find me because he always says, let's find the toys.
Exactly what they're up to.
And I always say yes.
That's exactly what they're up to.
Mama, hey! I thought we were looking for you.
You were?
Yeah.
Well, you found me, didn't you?
We found you.
Was I lost?
And look at this.
What is it?
Cars.
You wanted some cars. So,
I haven't found anything on the list.
what? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
What would you like to have?
Milkshake.
Milkshake?
The
How about-
milkshake.
How about Chinese?
Diamond. That's not good. Wendy's.
Come out of there. Hey. What do you want to eat?
French fries and ketchup.
Where do you want to eat
Oh, you
that?
had that for lunch.
Where do you want to eat?
French fries.
Where? Wendy's?
Yeah.
Chinese?
No.